Nothing like the feeling of security that you get from using these Trident phone cases. They're really, really sturdy. Let me just point it to the camera real so that you see how well made this is. Okay, this is rubbery here, so you can, it's a comfort when you touch, and there's some buttons here. There's some buttons here, so you know, it has a nice action to it. There's a button right here as well. So wherever, and then right here is just for the sake of comfort, right? And then it protects your phone from dust, from, I mean, I don't say that this is waterproof because I'm not really sure. I don't trust the ratings on the phones and when they say that the phones are waterproof, but it'll protect it from the splash, you know, it'll protect it from the splash. And that's, you know, that's what's important, right? That it protects your phone and that you feel confident with this. Of course, a screen protector here also helps. And this is all you need to protect your iPhones. Super, super recommended.